This is Parrish Medical Center. We are located in beautiful Titusville, Florida, right across the river from Kennedy Space Center.
This is my community. I live in this community, and I want people to feel proud to come to this medical center because they are going to receive top-notch quality care.
Our vision here at Parrish Medical Center is healing families, healing communities, and it starts with our care partners right here in the emergency department.
When people present to the emergency department, they want to be seen efficiently, quickly, and they want to be made to feel better as quickly as possible.
So it's really about streamlining that process and having a set standard flow model that's done every time, no matter what.
We survey all of our patients 24 hours after being in the emergency department to get real-time feedback so that we can truly look at our processes to make sure that they are aligned with what our community needs are.
The Performance Innovation Consultant team of TeamHealth partners not only with the hospital patient experience team, but also with the emergency department leaders and staff to ensure that the standard workflow that we develop and we facilitate that development by the people incorporates the very things that we learn from those patient surveys.
Even if somebody is not critically ill, the urgency in getting tests done, performed, getting people treated and assessed quickly just helps improve flow throughout the department. So it's very exciting, and we're excited to continue forward with this flow model.
You're doing well with these anyway.
What impresses me most about the team here is their passion and their core values in really wanting to serve the patients.
One of the things that we have identified when people come to the emergency department is they're often nervous, they're scared, they're in a lot of pain, or maybe they're escorting a family member and have to very quickly make a bunch of decisions. So a couple of the things we implemented was strategic signage so that people don't have to worry about those things. All the guesswork is taken out of it for them, and they're easily escorted through the process and provided with some reprieve so they're not worried or anxious.
My top goal would be to make sure that the patients that we have the honor and privilege of serving leave our facility feeling as though they have received excellent care and communication.
At Parrish Medical Center, our culture is rooted in our mission, vision, and values. It's essential to every single thing that we do. Culture resonates all the way through, from our leadership, our board of directors, through every single member of our team, of our care partners. And it's especially true in our emergency department, where communication, efficiency, and effectiveness is essential.
There's always a sense of accomplishment and happiness when you can get a patient feeling better and taken care of.